So our wax is finished now, and it came up to the highest temperature of 175 degrees centigrade, which, as we could tell, is much lower temperature than what other waxes that we've made have gone. And it's ready to filter into our aluminum pitcher that we use. It's an aluminum coffee pot, actually. And but this is a very clear wax, like our old friend that I kind of got away from for many, many years. So we will filter this into, we're going to be filtering it into our coffee pot there. We have 3 layers of bronze mesh. That's very fine to get any particulate matter out, to have less noise in our cylinder records.